Boom, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Savage Kitchen. I'm excited about this one. First and foremost, my mouth is already watering. I'm just thinking about it. This involves so much garlic. And I love garlic. It is so good. It is good and really good for you. And there's a freaking lot of it. There's like almost nothing else in this recipe besides garlic. And if I piqued your interest, because that sounds ridiculous, then keep watching this video. Trust me, you're going to love it. This recipe is called creamy garlic chicken. Actually, one of the awesome recipes I found on Cafe Delights. I'm going to go ahead and link their website. They're not a sponsor or anything. I just freaking like their website, and you probably should check it out if you enjoy cooking and trying cool things. I'll link their website down in the description box below, so check them out. It's a ton of good stuff. I'm going to try a bunch of stuff on there over the next few weeks. Trust me on that, because everything on there looks amazing. But I wanted to try this one because it looked relatively simple, but ridiculous because of the sheer amount of garlic in it. And there's some funny blurbs and stuff on the actual like page for the website about that very thing. It's really, really funny. But hey, you know what? Perfect social distancing food. Or if you're just like an introvert or a loner or whatever, just, eat this recipe and you're good to go. Because, no one's going to be around you for a while because garlic. Anyway, guys, I'm going to take you through this recipe. Let's do it. All right, guys. So first thing you're going to want to do is grab you about a medium to large size onion. I used a white onion. You can use whatever onion you like. You can even mix them. That's okay too. I just used a white onion. Just go ahead and give it a nice cut. Peel it and chop it all up. Can be rustic. You can make it even as fine as you want. I just left it kind of rustic because I like that, because I like it kind of chunky, and that's okay. Set that into a bowl and set that aside. Grab your garlic. You're going to need about 12 cloves of garlic. If you like more garlic, add even more garlic. If you want less garlic, pull back a little bit. That's okay too. You're going to smash about half of it. Don't chop it up, just smash it and leave it. Grab you a bowl, throw you a bunch of all-purpose flour in that bad boy, and then you're actually going to put Parmesan cheese. You're supposed to use grated. I messed up and I did not have grated, so I used shredded, and that's okay. It's just not near as good. Just when you do that, just use grated. Because it just makes better and it coats better on the chicken when you eventually coat it. But, I mean, it worked. It did what it needed to do. It still tastes just as good. Just make sure you grab the right thing, and like I did. But yeah, that's part of the process. Grab you about 4 good-sized chicken breasts. If they are thick, cut them in half, pat them dry, and salt and pepper, and then add, of course, garlic powder, because the theme of this whole dish is garlic up the yin-yang. And you can't get enough of that good stuff. Once you do that, coat both sides and then give it a nice rub down. Make sure that seasoning gets in there. And then take your mix there, as you see here, and just coat the chicken thoroughly. As you can see, that that Parmesan didn't stick as well. It would have worked if I had grated, not shredded. Heat you up some olive oil and about a tablespoon of butter. And the first time trying that, and it worked out great, except for the fact that I had my heat too high and I ended up burning the first 2 chicken breasts, as you could see there. But you know what? Mistakes happen. It's okay. Still tasted delicious, by the way. Just, a little bit extra love on there, Second batch, make sure you do wipe your pan down after each batch so it's clean. As you can see there, nice, beautiful golden brown. That's what it should look like. After your last batch, don't wipe it down. Don't clean it. Leave it. Go ahead and toss your onions in there. Give it a nice, good saute until you see it turn translucent, just like you see there. All that juicy, wonderful, amazing smell and taste coming through. And then throw your garlic in there until it becomes aromatic. Doesn't take too long, just a few minutes. Pour your chicken broth in there. This is going to actually be the base of the sauce. It's also going to deglaze the pan. So get in there with that spoon. Don't make a mess like I just did. But get in there with the spoon to scrape all that good stuff in there. Stir it periodically. Mix it all up. Let all those flavors combine in there. All that love in there. Because all those things, they're going to get together. And they're going to have a nice night. And they're going to make flavor babies. That's what they're going to do. And then that's actually going to reduce down to about half. About half. Now, obviously, this sauce right now is not thick. Even when you put this in here, this is heavy cream. Pour your heavy cream. Make sure you do reduce the heat because you don't want that to curdle. Bring that up to a simmer, not a hard boil, because you'll probably end up ruining if you do that. Just roll and boil, light simmer, just like you see here. Stir it periodically, because at first you'll see it get like a skin. Again, just let that simmer for a little bit, and then go ahead and throw your cheese. Now, this is where you're supposed to use the shredded cheese, by the way. You can also throw some grated in there. You can actually throw different kinds of cheese. Play around with it. That's cool. I use just shredded fresh Parmesan cheese, and it was amazing. Heat that until the cheese melts, becomes actually thicker, but not completely thick just yet. That is going to come in just a second when you put your chicken in. All that coating, the flour in the coating is actually going to act as a thickener for the sauce. So go ahead and throw your chicken breasts in there. I wish I had a bigger pan here because it would have been slightly easier. This is the pan I had. Not the best, but you know what? Get your hand out of the way, Rob. Jesus. Once you do that, just go ahead and get a spoon. Oh, dang it, your arm's in the way. Goodness gracious. Get a spoon and cover it all just like you see here. Coat it and all the garlic bits and the onion bits and the sauce. Make sure it's in there. And that's going to simmer in there. And you'll see that sauce actually thicken. All that flavor from the chicken is going to infuse. All the flavor from the onion and the garlic is going to infuse in the Parmesan cheese. And it's going to be beautiful. Now, this is supposed to have parsley on it. Again, I potatoed on that and forgot it. So imagine in your brain that there's beautiful spots of green color on that. You can use the sauce on pasta, serve it with vegetables. I chose mashed potatoes because that's what I have, and I like mashed potatoes, so that's cool. That's just what I did. You could do whatever you like. To be honest, that sauce will probably be good on just about anything. It's freaking banging delicious. The chicken was juicy, delicious, amazing morsels of yummy in my tummy goodness. And that sauce, oh my God. And the cool thing is, you know what? That garlic gets sweet, guys. It is not powerful. All right, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed making it. I thoroughly enjoyed eating it. That's for sure. Definitely one of my favorite recipes thus far. I think I'm going to try a couple more on this particular website. Just have some fun. Have some fun. Again, the link for that website is going to be in the description. If you enjoy cooking like I do, just give them a, check them out. Check them out. It'll be worth your time. Trust me. Anyway, guys, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks so much for coming along this video with me. Oh, by the way, I hope you like this new shot. I'm trying a new camera with a new lens and all that good stuff. You see all this? This buttery smooth, awesome background. Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome. There's more stuff coming, guys. I'm upgrading all kinds of stuff. We're gonna have some fun next year. Trust me, tons of cool stuff. And by the way, the Urban Ghost merch, Stay Savage merch is almost done, guys. I'm going to do a huge launch on it. So if you're interested in any merch, I apologize. It took me quite a while to get it done. I underestimated how long it was going to take. Undertaking it, I'm having someone very special to me helping me do this, which I'll talk about that more when we talk about this launch. Trust me on that. And I'm so excited about it. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be so cool. I cannot wait. I cannot wait for 2021. Because I'm tired of 2020. I think we all are. And 2021, at first, is probably going to be about the same. But you know what? It's fine. We're going to take this to another level, guys. We're taking 2021 to another level. I have so many plans, so many ideas. So does Joe. It's going to be great. Anyway, guys, till next time, peace and love. Stay strong, stay blessed, stay savage. Peace out, guys.